teachers from Ayodhya government primary schools. I am seeing Anamika ma'am is there. Anyone else? No. Okay. Let me see the names. Anamika ma'am is there. Anybody from Jingle Bell school or academy or Bal Sadan?
Three
Because
or
it is,
four, 3 or 4 of them were there.
yeah, it is good if one teacher is also from there. It is good because uh, then it will be easy to
Yes.
because they are doing a lot of work in the field. We can start, sir. I'm writing in a group also. We can start and then we'll share the recording.
All right. Bob is start. Captain, can the screen be seen completely?
Yeah, we can see the screen below.
Right. Okay. So I will start. We completed one session out of there are 4 sessions for the basic teachers program, basic teachers training program. And working with Give Back to Community is a pleasure and a privilege. And we are going to walk the talk together for years together. I'm sure that we will keep doing this and hand over this work to the next generation also. For those of you who missed a few slides, we will sort of repeat very briefly what is there. And you can always go to YouTube. We have given a URL in the WhatsApp group. You can go and see the entire previous session. And within 48 hours, this session also, once it is processed, it will be placed on YouTube. Both the sessions will be available for those of you who miss and those of your colleagues who have missed. We will make sure that they get the message that try to listen to both the sessions before they come for the third and the fourth. The significance of the word Sagar is ocean. Sagar means ocean. To scale up the youth participation in working against global warming, to scale up the youth participation in working for global cooling, the United Nations, with the wisdom of more than 200 nations, after a long period of struggling with what is to be done on the planet, they have declared a decade, 2021 to 2030, as the United Nations decade, which focuses on ocean health. There is a specific long name for it. उसका गर्भितार्थ जो है, the core meaning of what they want to say is between 2021 and 2030, let us at least educate all of humanity that the ocean is important. And 10 years before this 2021, 2011, we started Sagar Mitra. We anticipated this decade for ocean health, so many years back. Sagar Mitra is a children's program, as you know. Last time we gave you an idea of the nature of the program, how many years we have conducted it. 16 years now, and 400,000 students are there. And we have reached a scale where the administrative bureaucracy, that is IS officers and collectors and commissioners, they are taking a look at our program. They want the cities to be clean. It is their responsibility also under sanitation and hygiene. And they're looking for citizen developed programs, NGO developed programs, people like us and schools who have done a great job, some innovation. And now all over Maharashtra, the local government at the district level, taluka level, city level, village level, they have started approaching us. What is this Sagar Mitra model? Our hope is that because of the success of Sagar Mitra model in more than 6 cities in Maharashtra, if we can start this Sagar Mitra model as a replication in different places like Ayodhya and Kathmandu and other places, we can go slow and sure, 1 school, then 5 schools, and then we can decide whether to scale it up. We will go according to Yatha Shakti. Hamari jitni takat hai, whatever resources we have, according to that, if modest resources, modest program, if large resources, large program. But one thing is very sure, the focus will be on the ocean. Now this word sagar is more important than the English word ocean, because the word sagar is used by the ancient rishis. And sagar is a word which is used in the Indian story of origins. When in India the mythology speaks about the origin, they speak about a sagar manthan. इस सागर का मंथन हुआ, सागर का मंथन हुआ और उसमें से अमृत आया. So rather than leave that sagar manthan and amrut story just like that, what happened is the government of Maharashtra approached us and they said that 200 crore people will be coming for the Kumbh Mela in 2027. Even if 20 crore come, even if 50 crores come, the amount of plastic garbage they might throw is going to be astronomical. इतना सारा प्लास्टिक फेंकेंगे कुंभ को आए हुए लोग. So can we do something in advance to try and educate the people who come there from outside? So we have undertaken a joint program with Nashik Municipal Corporation for the city schools and with the Nashik district for the 1,298 villages over there. In the 530 city schools, we are doing Sagar Mitra. And in the 1,298 villages, we will shortly be starting what is called as Sagar Gram. Sagar Mitra is for the students and Sagar Gram is for the Gram Panchayat ka Sarpanch and the Gram Panchayat ka Gram Sevak and their team. So we will be training nearly 4,000 to 5,000 government officers. Why are we training them? Because Nashik city and Nashik district are going to be the hosts. ये यजमान है ना, इस जिले में, इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सारे भारत के लोग आने वाले. तो हमने कहा गवर्नमेंट से कि देखो भारत के लोग आएंगे 2027 में, they will come in 2027. July, August will be the maximum crowd. Can we, as the citizens of Nashik city, Nashik district, all the villages in Nashik district, can we stop throwing our plastic? Can we start collecting it? Should we start our Kumbh Mela today? Remember, people think that if they go to the other river, like from Maharashtra, we will think if we go to the Shipra river or Ujjain, that is one Kumbh Mela, or if we go to the Triveni Sangam at Prayagraj, and if we live in a tent over there, then we are at the Kumbh. We are talking a different language with the residents of Nashik, whether it is the city or the district. We are saying, till my house, whether it's a cement house or a tent, is on the banks of a river, I am in the Kumbh. So from birth, I am in the Kumbh. And for me, the Kumbh Mela should be 365 days because I'm near a river. And why should we have rules only for the Kumbh Mela that we will not throw garbage at that time? Routine time, every city must think of itself as a permanent Kumbh on the banks of its river. And let us develop a city culture as an example in Nashik. I'm going to keep on talking about the Kumbh Mela because today's Sagar Manthan, the very two words come from our ancient, the oldest pilgrimage in the world, which is the Kumbh. The Kumbh Mela 2027, in which our Sagar Mitra, our movement or organized movement, people's movement, is a knowledge partner. Officially, we are knowledge partners with the government of Maharashtra and with the government of Nashik division, Nashik district and Nashik city. Kumbh Mela 2027 has been named as the Harit Kumbh to remind everybody that global warming can be fought only with the help of plants. So if we have greenery, then we will have a lowering of the global temperature. So Harit Kumbh. And when they brought us into Harit Kumbh as Sagar Mitra, we started saying, now start looking at the Kumbh as a Sagar Kumbh. Always in India, the Sagar Kumbh has been known as related to the river. Nadi ka Kumbh hai. But Sagar Kumbh, no, the Kumbh Mela from ancient times starts with the story of Sagar Manthan. So it is a Sagar Kumbh. Today we are going to place before you the cultural and educational texts that we are creating, the pictures that we are creating, the songs that we are creating as the knowledge and cultural partner for this Kumbh which is coming next year. So Kumbh Mela 2027 is named Harit Kumbh. We decided to train 2 teachers per 530 schools. Per school, 530 schools, 2 teachers. The total we will train will be about 1,100 teachers. Of these, in the first batch, we trained 60 teachers from 30 schools. And now we are up to 230 schools, 460 teachers. The happy part of it is we started in November and already these 230 schools are bringing in plastic. I'll be showing you a very brief movie in the second or third slide after this, in which you will see the children with those plastics. We showed that movie last time. So, or sometime in this presentation, we will show you what the children are doing in their preparation towards the Kumbh. It is not just that the children will pick up the plastic, but all the children of Nashik will have started the habit of picking up plastic at home and giving it for recycling. By the time the adults come in, as for the pilgrimage from all over India, the children will be able to rise up and say, all the children of Nashik from 530 schools will say, before you came for the Kumbh, we decided to start our Kumbh Mela on 14th November 2025, 1.5 years before the Kumbh. And already because we are on the banks of the Godavari river, we are not throwing our plastic. So we are children, we understand this. Now that you have come from outside, please respect what we are doing. We pray to you, adults who have come from all over India and from all over the world also. We stopped throwing our plastic into the Godavari river. Please, you don't throw it. This is the idea that we had given to the government, and the government has agreed to it. We took only 6 pages to write this idea down. So today we are going to take a look at how are we teaching the teachers of Nashik. What does a plastic picking program have to do with Kumbh Mela? So Kumbh Mela 2027 is named Harit Kumbh. Today we link the Sagar Mitra Children's Program to a teacher's perspective of Harit Kumbh. How do the teachers of Nashik whom we have trained, how do they look at the Kumbh Mela? The education officer, the commissioner of Nashik, how are they looking at the Kumbh Mela and Sagar Mitra? So how Sagar Mitra as a plastic picking program is relevant to the river. It is relevant to good behavior towards nature and environment. And as teachers, it is the onus is on us, the responsibility is on us to teach this. The children from 530 schools will raise a voice so loud that it will go to all the people who come from India in the Kumbh Mela. And then every 4 years during the Kumbh Mela, we will go to those respective districts and we will teach all the schools in the district. So we will be teaching all the schools in the district of Chipra is on the banks of Ujjain for the Ujjain, and then in Hardwar all the schools, and in Allahabad, that is in Prayagraj, we will be completing all the schools. It is our error that we started 3 years, 1.5 years before this 2027 Kumbh Mela. For the other Kumbh Melas, we will start 4 years early, 8 years early, and 12 years early also. By the time the Kumbh Mela comes, we will have changed all the children in the Kumbh Mela periphery into Sagar Mitra. This is the aim, okay? I have to place it before you. And the larger we aim, the more God gifts us with the capabilities to reach that aim. We should dream very large. छोटे दिल से हम काम करते हैं तो छोटे दिमाग चलता है. बड़े दिल से बड़ा काम लेते हैं तो बड़ा दिमाग चलता है. So I wanted this clear. Why Sagar Manthan? Because Sagar Manthan is a traditional term. One more point I want to make very fleetingly. If we were today in the United States of America, we started Sagar Mitra in New York also. We would not be talking about Kumbh Mela and Sagar Manthan. We would be talking about the story of Genesis and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil and the tree of life and the whole story of why mankind's innocence was thrown out of the Garden of Eden, why we are in suffering and how we can come back out of that suffering into the kingdom of God. So if we are in a Christian country, the entire cultural references we give are from Christianity. If we are in an Islamic nation, we will give all the cultural references from Islam. Because we at Sagar Mitra have inherited all the religions. We at Sagar Mitra have inherited all the countries. So we no longer belong to a part of humanity. We belong to all of humanity, all the human cultures. And we are finding some wonderful uniting things in all those cultures. I wanted to make this very clear because when we say Sagar Manthan and Kumbh, it appears to be the program of one religious group. The program of Sagar Mitra is for the planet. Because the ocean is not inside India, no, the ocean is outside India. It is a global program. So Sagar Manthan deals with global issues. The Sagar Manthan individual term is coming from India. A brief look at what we did last time. We referred the Sagar Mitra Abhiyan, our movement, to the National Education Policy, 17 Sustainable Development Goals. And we gave a brief of Sagar Mitra as the presentation is given to children. We ask the schools for 90 minutes. You will understand. The children sit for all that time. We have 16 years experience now in a very large number of children because we show them pictures. So as you can see, a lecture is taken, the children get sensitized and they start collecting plastic at home. The details of this you'll have to see on YouTube, because if you have missed the last session. We are again going to take this in the next 2 sessions. We are going to talk about the plastic and the children. So even if you have missed the introductory, we will be covering it up again in a more detailed way next session and next session. Please don't miss the 3rd and 4th sessions. The children bring individually the plastic from their home to school. There are rules of safety. They don't collect from outside their house. Very safe, only from their house they collect. Only a few pieces they collect. But they have managed to bring in more than 100 tons every year. And now the total that they have collected is 1,120 tons till the year 2024. I have not added 2025 and 2026 totals to that. So that will be another 250 tons. We had gone into the 4 pillars of national education policy. This detail I'm not going into. You can see it in the first recording, which is there on YouTube, and on our, I'll have to repeat that a few times, on our WhatsApp group, this URL, if you scroll back to before now, 5-6 days before, Captain has placed the URL of the previous talk, which goes along with the slides and along with the talk. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, it is seen in the same way. So there are 4 pillars. I'm going to skip this and talk about those 4 pillars. 1. In English. Not in this slide, but the next slide. देखो हिंदी में our national education policy wants our children to be prepared in 4 ways. 1 is वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण, scientific temper, आध्यात्मिक मूल्य, which is spiritual values. Then लोक सहभाग, the children should be involved directly with the work of the village or the city or the town or the district or their housing society or their family, but they must be engaging with society. It is no longer now, national education policy will say you make a exhibition in which you show some, a village made of paper and trees made of paper that you can show, but actually the trees must be planted also. Even if it is 1 tree a month by the whole school. But some engagement with the people must be there, that is Loka Sabha. And Jagatik Nagrikatva, we can no longer think only about India. We can no longer think only about Israel. We can no longer think only about Iran or only about Palestine or only about America, only about Russia, only about Ukraine. That is the way to go for war that creates conflicts in the future. So we have to learn the fundamentals of Jagatik Nagrikatva. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva is Vasundhara. So all the Vasundhara is a name for the planet Earth. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is all that is there on this planet is one family. We are one family which is at the level of the earth. We have to teach that to our children. We can teach that as be a global citizen, as a proud Indian, because Indian culture says global citizenship. And if I go to America, I have to say that America stands for freedom on the planet. So let us work for all the countries. So Jagatik Nagrikatva is, we want to engage the child not just with one nation, but with all the nations. So the national education policy says that last time we could show how the Sagar Mitra Abhiyan brings about linkages with the ocean and so creates a global citizen in the child. So I'll go ahead. Here in English, you have the 4 values which are taught by national education policy. Scientific temper, spiritual values, community engagement, and global citizenship. Last time we have said that if you go to the NEP 2020, download it, NEP2020.pdf, and go to the paragraph number 11.8, you will find all the details of what is expected. How do we develop scientific temper in the child, to what extent? How do we develop spiritual practices and spiritual values in the child, to what extent? What is community engagement for the child and what is global citizenship? As expected in the national education policy, there will be school quality assessment audits They have not yet started in all the schools. I believe they have started in central government schools. That is also an experiment. But not long before in India, every school is audited for scientific temper, spiritual values, community engagement, global citizenship. If the school is doing Sagar Mitra, all this is covered. And the school children can learn this only in 90 minutes. But we need 2 teachers to understand Sagar Mitra. 2 teachers must understand Sagar Mitra in the school. That is why we are taking this. Just 1 minute. I'll just come back again with the same. So we come to today now. We know that we have global warming and we know that we must go for global cooling. I'm not going to emphasize this. Whenever someone says global warming, be ready with we have to do global cooling. To do global cooling, we have to be aware of the greenery being our best friend. And the greenery in the ocean is our biggest friend because 70% forests are in the ocean. We had shown that even if the government creates so many policies about banning plastic, till the people also change in their behavior in mass scale, the policy coming from the top and mass behavior coming from below, only then the transformation happens. So the government will take care of its policies. We will keep on suggesting to them. They are taking us on advisory boards. But we will also have to educate the people. Sagar Mitra is a movement which is bringing about behavioral change in exponential growth. You can see students like this, every month they bring waste plastic which is collected by the school like this. If you have missed the first session, do update yourself in that and don't miss the second and third in which we will go into the detail of how to train these children. We had summarized last time, 400,000 children are now engaged in this. So their parents are 800,000. That becomes 1 million people. 10 lakh ke upar chale. That's a very large number as an experiment. 1,120 tons is recycled. That is 1,120,000 kilograms. There also it is in 1 million. And we are in 2 states, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Now we are looking at other states. This song we had played at that time. I will play it. You can see the lyrics here.
Video is not playing. The sound is not on.
1 minute. I'll just put on the sound. Yeah, thank you. Just give me a minute to start the slides and we'll be there. Thank you for pointing that out, Captain. So now I will start the sound and go there. This summarizes everything that the children do.
सागर बच गया.
Can you hear it?
सागर बच गया. बच्चों ने उसे बचाया. मछली खुश है. मछली खुश है. सबने प्लास्टिक उठाया. आप भी उठाओ. हम भी उठाओ. उठ गया प्रदूषण साया. बालक बदला. पालक बदले. बच्चों ने सिखाया. बालक बदला. पालक बदले. बच्चों ने सिखाया. सागर बच गया. सागर बच गया. बच्चों ने उसे बचाया.
It is necessary to save the oceans, which you can see here. Captain, we could hear the song, no, this time?
Yeah, we could hear this.
Yeah. So I won't repeat this now again and again. It is necessary to save the oceans in order to ensure that the global warming is arrested and global cooling wins. To save the ocean on a large scale, if we want to bring a turnaround by 2040 in human behavior, we can make India as an experiment. And the largest gathering in India is the Kumbh Mela. So it is a fantastic opportunity to change the behavior of 200 crore people. We are going to try and raise the voice for the ocean, not with the voice of the children, but with the work done by the children. The children are working and they are bringing the plastic in order to save the ocean. So our experience is that children will raise the voice and say to all the Indian people coming to Kumbh Mela, not only in this Nashik Kumbh, but the next Haridwar Kumbh and after that Prayagraj Kumbh and Ujjain Kumbh, the children of the regions of India, wherever the Kumbh is there, and the children wherever there is Pushkar also, they are going to raise the voice not only for the river, but the ocean. So by 2030, we should be able to raise the voice for the ocean by utilizing not only the children as the gathering, but the entire gathering of adults in the Kumbh Mela will also speak of the ocean. So this is very important to know that today's session is about Kumbh Mela has given us a great opportunity in two ways. One is the largest gathering around rivers, the most traditional and the most ancient gathering that happens in the world. I believe in the Mahabharata and Ramayana, the Kumbh is given as happening still. So it is an ancient gathering of people which happens in order to take a look at the river and the health of the river. That is not just the health of the river. The king used to meet there, the farmers used to meet there, the people who used to finance used to meet there, the traders used to meet there, and they used to take a look at the land, the water, and all the Panchamahabhut and decide, are we living properly? Every 4 years, let us take a review. It was a review meeting. Now, this review meeting must go beyond the river and the health of the river, the mountain and the health of the mountain, and go up to the ocean. Because the original rishis wanted the ocean to be a subject. In Kumbh Mela, they started with Sagar Manthan. So, one part now I have to establish once more before you that we are knowledge partners for the Harit Kumbh. So, the Harit Kumbh has a Sagar Mitra Pratigya. So, we will be working hard to see to it that the crores of people who come there get a copy of this Pratigya, they say the Pratigya and they understand it from the sadhu point of view, from their particular akhada point of view. We will work with in great detail into the adhyatma of this, into the spirituality of this, that they must understand this, that we the people in each family of Nashik, it will be over there. This is Jalgaon for the Tapi river. So let me read about the Tapi river. We the people in each family of Jalgaon district pledge to segregate our family waste plastic at home and to send it for recycling to protect the Girna, Tapi, rivers and basins and the ocean forests. So this pledge shows you that we are engaged with the Harit Kumbh and that we can have this pledge initially embedded into the minds and hearts of the adults who come there. 20 crores, 50 crores, 100 crores, 200 crores, however, whatever number of people come in, we will plant in their heart that think about the saving of the Haryali on the ground and also think about saving the Haryali in the oceans. And that you can do by collecting plastic. And look, the children are doing it from 530 schools. The villagers are doing it in more than 1,000 villages. So now that you have come from all over India, why don't you take this action message back to India is the broad plan. The importance of the ocean, I won't repeat this. This was there last time. It gives us 100% forest, 100% food, 100% water, 100% oxygen. Everything we need for life comes from the resource which is called as ocean. So we have to save the ocean. If we catch the plastic, which we ask the children to do, then we save the ocean. These 3 pages is what is being done by the Nashik Municipal Corporation about the Kumbh Mela. Again, I'm going to talk about the Kumbh because the word Sagar Kumbh, Sagar Manthan comes from the Kumbh Mela. These 3 pages show that the government has accepted the program and they also have a recycling plant where what the children bring as plastic is being recycled. I'm not going into reading all these 3. Just see the 3 pictures. One is that there is a vehicle given by them to us and there is online training going on of teachers. So 230 schools now, the way we are now undergoing some training now. Initially they had 30 schools, then 200 schools, and now they will add 300 more schools. So this is online training going on for them. And this is the end result where the children are already in 156 of the schools, the children are properly bringing the plastic and it is going for recycling. Now we'll upgrade this up to 530 schools are doing, so that the message goes to Kumbh and from there to India. You can see Captain and myself near the kind of vehicles which get provided by the government. So the government supports the Sagar Mitra project. These are the schools, and this is what happens in the school. When you start in school, this will be the photographs you will be able to take. The children bring individually, it is placed in whatever bags are available with the school or a bin which is available. And that plastic goes for recycling. How it is done, how many times a month, is it difficult, it is easy? We are going to cover that in the third and fourth sessions. There's another set of schools where they are collecting plastic. And now today, what I did was actually a summary of what we did last time. It is necessary to go into that. And Sagar Manthan is a cultural theme which will expand Sagar Mitra to all over India, because Sagar Manthan is a word which is common to all the people who come for the Kumbh Mela. We want to make every visitor to Kumbh Mela to go back and take the message of don't throw plastic. You can't have a larger classroom than a Kumbh Mela. So after our second session today, Sagar Manthan, next time we will be doing Sagar Pradushan and then Sagar Shuddhi. So I'll go directly to what the children do again, small movie. They bring once a month. They bring once a month like that. And we ensure that they keep in mind the entire planet and the greenery on the continents and the greenery in the ocean. Now, we actually start with what are the children trying to say to us after the children do 2 years, 3 years of the Sagar Mitra, like these small kids have done. There is one classroom in one particular school. So they sing a song where they say that there is one ocean outside us and one ocean inside us. एक सागर बाहर, एक सागर भीतर, ये दो नहीं तीन सागर है. So I'm going to play the song for at least half the time, at least one of these verses.
एक सागर बाहर, एक सागर भीतर, सागर एक नहीं दो नहीं, एक दो तीन, जो सागर बाहर बजहा आगर, देता है मीठे जल की बरसात, जो सागर भीतर रक्षा का जागर, कहता है सागर मित्र के चलो साथ.
I'm going to stop at the first verse because let's not have a long, complicated detail. In the first verse itself, they are saying, speaking about two oceans, one is outside and one is inside. And the outside ocean is saltwater ocean, which gives us the rain. And the inner ocean is Raksha Ka Jagar. That means it is the ocean of love inside us, which makes us protect everything which is hurting. So the word Sagar Mitra here, please try to take a look at this. Sagar Mitra doesn't mean only the ocean of salt water. It also means the ocean of compassion inside us. So we are, in Sagar Mitra, we are teaching minimum these two oceans to the child. And when we come up to the level of Kumbh Mela, it is 3 oceans. Today, we are going to make an attempt at taking a look at the 3 oceans. This ocean is called as the Kshira Sagara. Today's subject exactly starting here. The Kumbh story, the Kumbh people coming here is going to be a possible classroom where the children will tell this story. The children will not just tell the story, but they will act according to this story. The Kumbh Mela tells us in its story that there was a churning of an ocean and the name of the ocean is Kshira Sagara. And the Kshira Sagar means Amrit Ka Sagar, the Sagar of energy, which is a life-giving energy, which is called Sanjivani Urja. It is also called as Adi Shakti, but it is Sanjivani Urja. the energy of the universe churned and created life on the planet. So initially there was no life, no? This energy of the universe has the capability to create life, and so it is Sanjeevani Urja, and that is why it is called a sweet Urja, क्षीर सागर. क्षीर जब हम खाते हैं तो मीठी लगती है, तो अमृत का सागर है ये. अमृत भी समझ में नहीं आता, संजीवनी ऊर्जा का सागर है. तो पहला जो सागर है, we are going to learn three oceans, and we want this to be the detailed story of the Kumbh Mela for all of India through the classroom which sits. जो नदी, जिसको नदी पाठशाला कहते हैं, वैसे वो कुंभ बैठता है. और नदी से सीखते सीखते इस बार समंदर से सीखेंगे, और 3 समंदर से सीखेंगे. भीतर का समंदर जो कोरोना का है, बाहर का समंदर जो खारे पानी का है, और विश्व का समंदर जो विश्व की संजीवनी ऊर्जा का है. तो ये कुंभ मेले के कहानी के साथ साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. इसकी मदद लेते हुए कुंभ मेला के ऋषि जो थे, उन्होंने जो क्षीर सागर शब्द लिखा, सागर मंथन कहा, इसका आशीर्वाद लेके हम चलेंगे. ताकि भारत तक पहुंचना है, भारत की भाषा लेकर पहुंचना पड़ेगा. ओशन ओशन करके कैसे समझेंगे? सागर ये शब्द हमारे प्राचीन पुरातन संस्कृति में से निकाल के फिर से देना पड़ेगा. ये सागर मंथन, इस सागर का मंथन तो आज भी होता है. द एंटायर यूनिवर्स इज चर्निंग. इफ आई गो इवन इनटू द एटम, इट इज चर्निंग विद इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. सो वेदर इट इज सूक्ष्म या इट इज अनंत, सूक्ष्म से अनंत, शून्य से अनंत तक, ये द एंटायर यूनिवर्स इज चर्निंग कंप्लीटली. द एनर्जी इज कंटिन्यूअसली मिक्सिंग थिंग्स अप. तो उसको कहते हैं सागर मंथन, जो कुंभ मेला में समझने आना चाहिए कि सागर मंथन कहा गया वो विश्व के मंथन का था, और सागर मंथन में से जीवन आया, तो कहते कि अमृत आ गया. तो ये सागर मंथन, ये निरंतर क्षीर सागर का मंथन, एटर्नल चर्निंग ऑफ द ओशन ऑफ संजीवनी ऊर्जा. तो यूनिवर्स इज मेड अप ऑफ संजीवनी ऊर्जा, ये ध्यान में रहे. केवल एनर्जी नहीं. अभी साइंस में कहते हैं वीक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियर इंटरेक्शंस, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म, ग्रेविटेशन. दैट इज अ वेरी ड्राई लैंग्वेज. द एंटायर ऊर्जा ऑफ माय यूनिवर्स एंड योर यूनिवर्स इज संजीवनी ऊर्जा. इफ इट इज लाइफ एनर्जी. आपको पता है लाइफ एनर्जी को प्राण शक्ति कहते हैं. इट इज लाइफ एनर्जी. तो ये लाइफ एनर्जी का यूनिवर्स है, इसलिए लाइफ आ गया ना यूनिवर्स में. यूनिवर्स में लाइफ आ गया, इसका प्रूफ क्या है? हम आप है ना जीवित. वी आर द प्रूफ दैट लाइफ केम. द यूनिवर्स इज अ एंटायर फील्ड ऑफ लाइफ एनर्जी, संजीवनी ऊर्जा. तो संजीवनी ऊर्जा का समंदर है. पानी तो छोटी सी बात है, एक प्लेनेट पर है, हर प्लेनेट पर पानी भी नहीं है. और ऊर्जा का समंदर ये पूरे विश्व में है, ये ध्यान में रखें, क्योंकि आज हम इस ऊर्जा के समंदर के मंथन का विषय लाए हैं, सागर मंथन. द एंटायर यूनिवर्स हैज बीन चर्निंग, churned by the power of Adi Shakti, which is the eternal universal energy, which is also eternal life-giving energy. प्राण शक्ति, आदि शक्ति एक ही नाम है. देखो कितने गैलेक्सीज में चर्निंग चल रहा है, भूतकाल में, भविष्य काल में, और अभी वर्तमान में भी चल रहा है. हमें पता है उन गैलेक्सीज में चल रहा है, और हमें पता नहीं दूर दूर जो है वहां भी चल रहा है. द चर्निंग इज इटर्नल, एंड व्हाट कम्स आउट ऑफ दैट इज लाइफ. व्हाट कम्स आउट ऑफ एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द चर्निंग इज लाइफ. इसलिए कहते हैं कि कुंभ में हमें कहते हैं कि सागर का मंथन हुआ और उसमें से जीवन बना.
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे.
पूरे निरंतर क्षीर सागर मंथन, विश्व का मंथन हुआ, और हम तो केवल पृथ्वी देख पाते हैं. तो एक तो सही है कि पृथ्वी के समंदर में हरियाली का जन्म हुआ. इसका हम थोड़ा डिटेल आज देखने वाले. चित्र में से आपको ये हरियाली दिख रही है. मैं इस हरियाली में का बड़ा एक मैं बताऊं, जंगल. इसको रोक के देखो, ये कितना बड़ा जंगल है. ये आया कहां से, इसकी जीवन कहां से आया? तो देयर वाज अ चर्निंग ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, क्षीर सागर मंथन. और पता नहीं कौन से प्लेनेट पर जीवन आया, पर सही है कि पृथ्वी पर तो जीवन आया. और पृथ्वी पर जीवन, ये प्राणी जीवन नहीं आया, ये वनस्पति जीवन आया. ये ध्यान में रहे, पृथ्वी पर वनस्पति जीवन आया. दिस हैज टू बी द कुंभ मेला स्टोरी. दिस हैज टू बी द कुंभ मेला स्टोरी taught in every Indian. Every person who comes to Kumbh should learn this story and go and spread it to India. And our children are learning the story 1.5 years before. एंड टू सेव दिस ग्रीनरी, जो विश्व के मंथन से बनी हुई जीवन, जो ये जल के सागर में आ गया, विश्व के सागर का जो जीवन की ऊर्जा है उसने रूप ले लिया कि वनस्पति का जल के सागर में, विश्व में उसका रूप ऊर्जा है, और पृथ्वी पर जो सागर है इसमें उसका रूप आदिशक्ति ने रूप ले लिया है हरियाली का। ये आदिशक्ति का रूप है, मैनिफेस्टेशन है, इसका रूप ले लिया उसने हरियाली का। और ये हरियाली हमें ऑक्सीजन देती है, ये हरियाली हमें ग्लोबल कूलिंग देती है। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कहे तो ये सारी बातें आ जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि हृदय तक जब कहानी से लेकर, पुरातन कहानी से लेकर जब तक हमारा नव परिवर्तन युग नहीं बनता, तब तक बड़े त्वरिता से लोग नहीं आएंगे, बड़े जिगर से नहीं आएंगे। तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू सेव दिस ओशन। हरित कुंभ में केवल हरियाली जमीन की नहीं, तो सागर की भी हरियाली बचाएंगे, क्योंकि हमारे जल के सागर की हरियाली जो है वो साक्षात आदिशक्ति जो है विश्व में फैली हुई संजीवनी शक्ति, उसका एक मूर्त स्वरूप है ये हरियाली। अब ये जो ऊर्जा है विश्व में, अभी थोड़ा सा ध्यान देके देखिए, ये बच्चों के लिए नहीं है, फॉर ईच अदर एज पेरेंट्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर वी हैव टू सी दिस। ये जो ऊर्जा है ये धीरे 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 नीचे उतरती हुई हर एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए, फॉर एवरी वन ऑफ यू इवन राइट नाउ, this energy, which is the Sanjeevani Urja, comes and enters into the top of your head, goes through you, I'm showing an arrow there, and exits from the lower part of your body and merges into the universe again. And the same energy is coming from below, going through you and opening at the top of your head. आपको पता है एनलाइटनमेंट हो गया तो कहते हैं सारी ऊर्जा आ गई मूलाधार चक्र से ऊपर 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 सारे 7 चक्रों में से, और सप्त चक्र भेद करके ये ऊर्जा ऐसे ओपन हो गई। तो ये तो हर एक ह्यूमन बीइंग में ये ऊर्जा का ये खेल चालू है। ये क्यों बताया मैंने आपको? ये ऊर्जा प्राण शक्ति है, इसको आदि शक्ति भी कहते हैं, संजीवनी शक्ति, जीवन देने वाली शक्ति। इसने जैसे हरियाली को बनाया वैसे हमें भी उसने ही बनाया है। वी आर मेड ऑफ मैटर, नो, एंड मैटर इज मेड ऑफ एनर्जी, सो वी आर मेड ऑफ द सेम एनर्जी। तो ये एनर्जी हमें टू होल्ड अस टुगेदर एज ए ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड माइंड, द एनर्जी हैज टू सप्लाई अस from the top of the head through our body, and from the bottom it comes up and enters us. ऊपर का जो एंट्रेंस है ये टॉप ऑफ द हेड है, क्राउन बोलते हैं इसको, और लोअर एंट्रेंस जो है, जो मलमूत्र 2 द्वार है ना, सॉलिड वेस्ट और लिक्विड वेस्ट को एग्जिट करने के 2 द्वार है, उसके बीच में जो जगह इसको पेरिनियम कहते हैं, दैट इज द प्लेस फ्रॉम विच दिस एनर्जी एंटर्स अस एंड द एनर्जी एग्जिट्स फ्रॉम अस। दिस एनर्जी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कुंभ मेला में हम जाते हैं तो सप्त चक्र साधना का थोड़ा सा देखना ही पड़ेगा, पर इसके सिग्निफिकेंस जरा अलग। हमारे भीतर से ये ऊर्जा जो है, आदिशक्ति जो है, संजीवनी शक्ति जो सारे विश्व में है, ये हमारे भीतर खेलती है, इसकी नदी है हमारे भीतर। तो ये इस चित्र में भी बताया है कि ऊर्जा ये ऊपर से और नीचे से हमारे शरीर में प्रवेश करती है, और हमारे शरीर में 7 जगह पे ये ऊर्जा थोड़ी थोड़ी फैलती है। तो इसको हम कहते हैं कि चक्र कहते हैं, पर हम उसको सागर कहने लगे। विश्व के सागर की ऊर्जा आती है संजीवनी ऊर्जा, देखो जीवन दायिनी ऊर्जा आती है, ये हमारे शरीर में प्रवेश करके ऊपर और नीचे खेलते रहती है, ऊपर जाती है नीचे जाती है, ऊपर जाती है नीचे जाती है, और ये इस जगह पे उस ऊर्जा के पुंज हो जाते हैं। देयर आर कलेक्शंस ऑफ दैट लाइफ गिविंग एनर्जी एट दिस 7 places, and each of these 7 places gives us some leadership quality. So this energy from the कुंभ मेला में जो कहानी बताई हुई है विश्व की, कि विश्व का मंथन हुआ, उसमें से जीवन हुआ, उसमें से हरियाली आई तो मानव भी आए। हरियाली को जैसे वो संजीवनी शक्ति सप्लाई होती है, वैसे हमें भी वो संजीवनी शक्ति सप्लाई होती है। ये इस तरीके से होती है कि ऊपर से नीचे हमारे भीतर आती है और नीचे से ऊपर हमारे भीतर जाती है। तो हमारे भीतर 7 सेंटर तैयार करती है ऊर्जा के, ये बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है। These are infinite sources of energy for us as leadership energy. हम सेवा करना चाहते हैं, हम हजारों लाखों करोड़ों बच्चों को बदलना चाहते हैं, तो हमें लीडरशिप देनी पड़ेगी। तो ये लीडरशिप के लिए जो 7 क्वालिटीज चाहिए कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट में, ये 7 चक्रों में से हमें सप्लाई होते हैं। सबसे नीचे से जब ये ऊपर ऊर्जा आती है तो इट क्रिएट्स अ सप्लाई ऑफ एन एनर्जी विच इज कॉल्ड शक्ति सागर। ग्लोबल लेवल का प्रोग्राम भी वो आदमी शुरू कर सकता है यदि यू नो हाउ टू यूज योर mind and your meditation to use this energy for the benefit of our children and for the benefit of the entire future of mankind. So Sagar Mitra is a project which, without going into spirituality, आपके इस सेंटर को एक्टिवेट करता है. अभी ये देखो, दिस इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग स्टडी विच गोज ऑन व्हेन यू कम इनटू सागर मित्रा. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ ब्रीफ आइडिया ऑफ दिस. आपके मूलाधार चक्र में से आपको शक्ति मिलना शुरू होती है, तो आप ऐसे सोचने लगते हैं, अब तक मैं सोच रहा था या सोच रही थी कि एक स्कूल का प्रोग्राम डिफिकल्ट है, अभी तो सोचने लगे कि पूरी दुनिया में कर लेंगे. भीतर की शक्ति का कहीं ना कहीं तो एहसास होने लगता है कि हमारा जन्म थोड़ी ना हुआ है कि एक स्कूल में करने के लिए. हमारे स्कूल में इतना बेहतरीन करेंगे कि दुनिया के स्कूल आके बोलेंगे कि हमें बताओ कैसे करना है. हमारा एक स्कूल में तो शुरू हुआ था सागर मित्र 2011 में. अभी अलग अलग स्टेट्स आ रहे हैं, आगे अलग अलग देश भी आ जाएंगे. तो देखो, व्हेन वी कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द शक्ति सागर इनसाइड अस, while speaking of one program in one school, we already start thinking कि हमारे शहर में हम इतना बेहतरीन काम करेंगे, काठमांडू में इतना बेहतरीन काम करेंगे, तो दुनिया से लोग आएंगे for spiritual tourism to see what is this program you are doing in your children, that the children are able to say we will take up a global program. For your information, our children in Maharashtra took up a global program of cleaning the ocean. In 2024, they got a global award. 11,000, there were 11,000 entries, and they came first in the world for daring to say कि हमारे भीतर इतनी ऊर्जा है कि हम केवल भारत स्वच्छता नहीं, हम सागर स्वच्छता और पृथ्वी स्वच्छता का काम ले लिए. The inner energy at the Shakti Sagar gives us the power to dream about doing a very large task. तो शक्ति सागर जागृत करने का काम सागर मित्र कार्यक्रम करता है, और बच्चे कहते हैं कि हम केवल भारत का और भारत की नदियों का विचार नहीं करेंगे, हम सारा सागर ले लेते. हमारे पास ताकत है, हमारे पास शक्ति सागर है. ये ऊर्जा ऊपर जाती है तो शांति सागर बन जाती. तो इसका मतलब है कि ये कार्य करते वक्त यदि उन बच्चों को या हमारे टीचर्स को या हमें कोई कहे, अभी तो 500 स्कूल्स में है, दुनिया में तो हजारों लाखों स्कूल्स हैं, तो हम अशांत नहीं होते, चल बिचल नहीं होते, हम डरते नहीं, हम शांत रहते हैं. हम शांति से कहते हैं, देखो एक स्कूल के हो गए ना 500, तो 500 से 2,500 हो जाएंगे. तो कहेंगे 2,500 ही हो गए, 2.5 लाख करने, शांति से कर लेंगे. चलो अभी चाय के दुकान पे जाते, चाय पीते और वापस आके करते. So very calmly, with a very even and equipoised mind, the children are being trained that we are going to succeed in the global program. There's no need to hurry, there's no need to get desperate. शांत रहो, शक्ति का उपयोग करते रहो, हर महीने का साइकिल मिस मत करना, हर महीने में सागर की सेवा करो. तो there is a profound cultural syllabus inside Sagar Mitra. Sagar Mitra is not just about collecting plastic. So the children gradually start to utilize their Shakti Sagar and Shanti Sagar. उनको कोई भी कहे कि तू बेटा तू एक बैग ला रही है, विद्यार्थी हमारी राजकुमारी को कोई कहे इतना सा बैग ला गया तो सागर थोड़ी ना बचता है, तो कहेगी मैं तो करती रहूंगी, मेरे पास ताकत है और मैं शांत रहूंगी, क्योंकि एक मछली बच गई तो मेरे लिए शांति है, कल मैं दूसरी मछली बचाऊंगी. आप सब करते हैं तो सारी मछलियां बच जाएंगी. ये शांत चित्त से कैसे काम करना, ये यहाँ से मिलता है बच्चों. तीसरा, ये शक्ति सागर के बाद शांति सागर आ गया, नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा हूं मैं. तीसरा जो है संजीवनी सागर है. इसका मतलब है कि बच्चे सीख लेते हैं. देखो कुछ बच्चे देख लेते हैं, कुछ राजकुमार राजकुमारी देखते हैं, क्लास में 50 छात्र हैं, 3 ही छात्र ला रहे हैं, तो ये बच्चे लीडरशिप लेना शुरू करते हैं. जो संजीवनी सागर से, ये संजीवनी चक्र है तीसरा, वहां से लीडरशिप आती है. जिस व्यक्ति में ये जागृत है वो सारी दुनिया को कहते हैं कि आप सो भी जाए तो मैं आपको जागरूक करूं. आपके भीतर सागर का जागर जो करना है वो हम लाएंगे. एक स्कूल तय कर लेती है 2011 में, विद्या भवन स्कूल पूना की, कि हम एक स्कूल में ऐसा कार्यक्रम करेंगे कि हमारे 150 बच्चे एक साल में 10,000 हो जाएंगे. 150 बच्चों के एक साल में 10,000 हो गए, क्योंकि बच्चों ने सोच लिया कि बाकी के स्कूल्स नहीं कर रहे, पर हम इसमें संजीवनी लाएंगे, इस कार्यक्रम में जीवन लाएंगे. रिजुवनेशन of the will to live, the will to act, to do a large global program, to not get afraid of anything. शांत रहना वो प्रोग्राम करते वक्त, और बाकी के लोग रुक भी जाए तो उनके भीतर फिर से संजीवनी लाना, फिर से संजीवनी लाना. ये नीचे के 3 चक्र उनको शक्ति, शांति और संजीवनी देते. ये तीनों में से लीडरशिप क्वालिटी बनती है. उसके बाद का जो है, ये शक्ति लेकर शांत चित्त से सागर का काम लेके ये सोचने लगते हैं इसमें लीडरशिप ले लेंगे. Government is not changing, we will change the government also. We will take the leadership and we will keep changing. We will not stop. As we change and we change and we change, out of 400,000, then 1 million children will come, then 20 million children will come. And we will grow up to be the ministers. We will grow up to be the collectors. We will grow up to be the decision makers. So, उनके भीतर वो संजीवनी कहते हैं, तो आज नहीं तो कल हम कर ही लेंगे। पर करते वक्त ध्यान में रखना है कि केवल एक देश के लिए काम करके नहीं चलेगा। एक देश के साथ प्यार होता है, करुणा अनंत होती है, एक देश तक आके नहीं रुकती। तो 200 के 200 देश, 200 से ऊपर देश है, सब पर प्यार करेंगे, सारे मजहब के सारे लोगों पर प्यार करेंगे, सारे मछलियों पर प्यार करेंगे, इसको करुणा कहते हैं। हमारे नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में पैराग्राफ नंबर 11.8 में सेकेंड पिलर ऑफ नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी दिया है स्पिरिचुअल वैल्यूज, और उसमें वेरी क्लियरली दिया है द वैल्यू ऑफ करुणा एंड अहिंसा। इट इज रिटन इन आवर नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी कि बच्चों को करुणा सिखाओ, बच्चों को अहिंसा सिखाओ। तो ये करुणा की बात तो करनी पड़ेगी। तो करुणा का जो घर है, निज धाम है, वो हमारा हृदय है। तो करुणा सागर हमारे भीतर है। सागर शब्द बड़ा पावरफुल है। बच्चों को ऐसा नहीं कहते हम आपके पास करुणा चक्र है, चक्र तो छोटा हो गया, करुणा सागर है भाई। सारे सागर को वो करुणा सागर में रख सकते हैं। बाहर का सागर जो जल देता है, और ये भीतर का सागर प्यार देता है। बाहर के सागर में लिमिटेड जल है, एक पृथ्वी का जल है। भीतर के सागर में, करुणा सागर में अनंत प्यार है। पूरे विश्व के साथ प्यार कर सकता है, केवल भारत नहीं, केवल प्लेनेट नहीं, पूरे विश्व के साथ वो बच्चा प्यार कर सकता है। तो ये बड़ा सागर है, करुणा सागर, ये बड़ा सागर है। तो नीचे से ऊपर आते हुए देखो, शक्ति सागर, शांति सागर, संजीवनी सागर, करुणा सागर। दे लर्न टू लव द होल प्लेनेट हियर। फिर शुद्धि और साधना चलती है। शुद्धि मीन्स थ्रोट चक्र। ये नीले रंग का बताया तो आपको यहाँ रेफरेंसिंग होगा नीला, फिर हृदय चक्र हरा बताया। तो ये थ्रोट चक्र का ऐसा है कि उनकी जुबान से शुरू हो जाता है कि कुंभ मेला की यदि कहानी बोलेंगे तो वो उनको समझ में आता है कि केवल शब्द नहीं, सागर मंथन, और उसका अर्थ जान लेते। तो ये वाचा शुद्धि हो गई ना, केवल शब्द बोलना है क्या, शब्द के साथ अर्थ भी आना है। तो उनके गले के साथ, उनके वाणी के साथ उनके कंधे काम भी करने लगते हैं। वो वाणी से कहते हैं कि हम सागर को बचाएंगे, और कंधों से 1120 टन उठा भी लेते हैं, और फिर उससे उनकी दृष्टि बढ़ जाती है। वो कहते हैं, बड़े लोग कहते हैं हो नहीं सकता, हम बच्चों ने करके बताया। तो उनकी दूरदृष्टि बन जाती है कि हम करते हैं तो सारे छात्र करेंगे। हमें छोटे छोटे बच्चे पूछते हैं, सर आप छोटे बच्चों को बदल रहे हो, आप एडल्ट्स को कब बदलोगे? सो वी आस्क देम हाउ डू वी डू इट। इवेंचुअली द चिल्ड्रन रियलाइज दैट यदि सारे बच्चे ये 7 चक्रों में से जाएं तो उनकी दृष्टि में समंदर आ जाएगा, और देश और मजहब के परे वो सोचना शुरू करें। तो ये बच्चों को भी 7th 8th में आने तक समझने लगता है। आउट ऑफ 10,000 वी हैव 2 चिल्ड्रन हु स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एट द ग्लोबल लीडरशिप लेवल। तो शुद्धि की साधना यहाँ से होती है। छोटे बच्चों के लिए उनका कार्य शुद्धि होती है। पहले वो खुद का कचरा नहीं उठाते थे, अभी वो खुद का कचरा उठाते हैं। ये शुद्धि हो गई उनके कार्य में। उनके घर का कचरा जो है उस पर ध्यान नहीं था, अभी उनकी दृष्टि आ गई। अब उन बालक से पालक तक काम आ गया, तो फिर वो घर और शुद्ध होने लगा। वहां से ये अशुद्ध प्लास्टिक जाता था नदी समंदर तक, वो अभी नहीं जाता। तो वो घर भी साफ हो गया, उससे नदी भी साफ हो गई, उससे समंदर भी साफ हो गया, उससे कल्चर भी साफ हो गया, उससे कुंभ मेला तक भी हम आ गए ये लेकर। अभी कुंभ मेला से 200 करोड़ लोग जाएंगे और ये मैसेज लेके जा सकते हैं। वी हैव टू अंडरटेक दिस लार्ज थिंग, वी हैव बीन गिवन द एनर्जी टू डू इट। हम मानते हैं कि हमारे पास अनंत ऊर्जा है, इसलिए कुंभ मेला को भी बदल देंगे। हमारे पास अनंत शांति है, तो बड़े शांति से हम करेंगे। वी डोंट हैव टू स्वेट फॉर इट। वी आर वेरी गुड एट स्ट्रेटेजी एंड डूइंग द एग्जैक्ट थिंग्स। वी हैव रियलाइज्ड कि सागर मंथन सिखाना है जो विषय हम ले रहे हैं। सागर मंथन से भीतर के 7 सागर सिखाने हैं, जो शुद्धि सागर तक हम आ गए। यहाँ से साधना करता है व्यक्ति, और यहाँ से उसकी बुद्धि जागृत हो जाती है। काम करके करके गलतियां होती हैं, फिर से प्रश्न पूछते हैं, गलतियां का आधार ढूंढते हैं कि गलती से बाहर कैसे ही हूँ, समाधान ढूंढते हैं, और उनकी संकल्प दृष्टि बढ़ते जाती है। वो कहते हैं 10 साल हमने किया, फलाना डिफिकल्टी आ गया था, सॉल्व हो गया। गवर्नमेंट का डिफिकल्टी आ गया, सॉल्व हो गया। रिसाइकलिंग का डिफिकल्टी आ गया होता है, सॉल्व हो गया। तो कर्म शुद्धि भी होती रहती है, ऑब्स्टेकल आ गया वो सॉल्व होते रहता है, और उनकी दृष्टि में आ जाता है कि ऑब्स्टेकल्स कैन बी सॉल्व्ड। तो ये संकल्प दृष्टि में चले जाते हैं। कहते कोई हमारे साथ आए ना आए, हम इसको सच्चा करके बताएंगे। संकल्प दृष्टि सागर कहते हैं। इसमें दृढ़ निश्चय होता है लोग साथ में आए या ना आए, वो व्यक्ति दृढ़ निश्चय से करता। हमारे पास अभी 20 और 21 साल के और 23 और 24 साल के बच्चे हैं जो हमारे साथ 7वीं 8वीं में आए और वो हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं एज प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर्स। उनका दृढ़ निश्चय है, दे हैव लेफ्ट देयर करियर टू कम इनटू दिस, कि ये कार्यक्रम हम सारे स्कूल्स में लेके जाएंगे दुनिया के। तो संकल्प दृष्टि बनती है, हमने देखा है बच्चों में ये होते हैं। और संकल्प दृष्टि के बाद ही हम समर्पित सेवा कर सकते हैं। तो लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज आर देयर गिवन टू अस बाय द ऊर्जा विच इज सेंट टू अस बाय द मंथन ऑफ द सागर विच गोज ऑन। सागर मंथन, विश्व के सागर का मंथन, विश्व के संजीवनी ऊर्जा का मंथन, इसने जीवन निर्माण किया वनस्पति से लेकर मानव तक। और जैसे वनस्पति को ऊर्जा मिलती है वैसे मानव को भी ऊर्जा मिलती है। और ये मानव, ये ऊर्जा हमें संपुष्ट करती है, तंदुरुस्त करती है। केवल हमारा शरीर और मन नहीं, तो हमारे भीतर के चक्र भी सशक्त कर देते हैं। ये भारत की एंशिएंट नॉलेज है विच हैज टू बी रिवाइव्ड इफ इंडिया हैज टू बिकम विश्व गुरु। सो नाउ वी सॉ दैट 7 चक्रास आर देयर। अभी हम 7 सागर बाहर के देखेंगे। ये भीतर के 7 सागर हो गए। देखो इधर एक समरी है। एक क्षीर सागर इज द इनफाइनाइट ओशन ऑफ एनर्जी। दिस एनर्जी इज सेंट टू अस, इट इज सेंट टू द ग्रीनरी, इट इज सेंट टू ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आल्सो। इट हैज क्रिएटेड 7 लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज इनसाइड अस। लीडरशिप के 7 ऊर्जा बन गए हमारे भीतर। और इस ऊर्जा में से बच्चे करुणा सागर की ऊर्जा पहले यूटिलाइज करते हैं। उनकी करुणा आ जाती है इस सागर पे। ये जल का सागर मैंने बताया इधर। ये जल का सागर हमारे प्लास्टिक से और हमारे बाकी के पोल्यूशन से मर रहा है। तो ये बच्चे फिर इस बाहर के बड़े सागर को लेके उनके करुणा सागर में रख देते हैं। आपने सुना वो गाना गा रहे थे, एक सागर बाहर एक सागर भीतर। तो उनको क्लियरली पता है ये बाहर का सागर है जो संकट में आता है, जो खारे पानी का है, और भीतर का सागर है करुणा सागर। एक सागर बाहर एक सागर भीतर, सागर एक नहीं दो नहीं 1 2 3। हम सिखाते हैं तो हम गाने भी सीख लेते हैं बच्चों के लिए। जो सागर बाहर जल का है आगर, देता है मीठे जल की बरसात। जो सागर भीतर रक्षा का जागर, कहता है सागर मित्र के चलो साथ। ये गाना सीख के, ये सारा कहानी मैंने बताया वो डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बच्चे सीख रहे गाना भी इसका। तो ये सीख लेते हैं बाहर का सागर, भीतर का सागर और विश्व का सागर। 3 सागर सीख लेते हैं बच्चे। और कुंभ का ये त्रिवेणी नदी का संगम, ये त्रिवेणी सागर का संगम बन जाता है। भारत के लिए इस कुंभ के बाद त्रिवेणी नदी के साथ त्रिवेणी सागर संगम भी सिखाया जाए और हमारे बच्चे सिखाएं। दिस इज अ सॉन्ग वी हैव मेड ऑफ दिस। तो ये गाना सुन लीजिए। देखो ये छात्रा है 8th स्टैंडर्ड की, उसके हाथ में सागर मित्र अभियान का किताब है और वो कह रही है 3 उंगली बता के कि हम 40,000 है, हम लोगों ने 1 मिलियन किलोग्राम्स रिसाइकल किया है क्योंकि हम 3 सागर जानते हैं। वो 3 सागर का गाना ये गाते हैं।
रब की करुणा समरण करे, रब का पानी जतन करे, रब की इबादत सागर रक्षण, खुद से कोशिश शुरू करे। सागर मित्र खड़े सागर मित्र आगे बढ़े, सागर मित्र खड़े रहे, सागर मित्र आगे बढ़े। चलो अनंत का भजन करे, चलो सागर का स्मरण करे। व्यापक सागर मैत्री है तू, जल शुद्धि का करम करे। सागर मित्र खड़े रहे, सागर मित्र आगे बढ़े। सागर मित्र खड़े रहे, सागर मित्र आगे बढ़े।
The song consolidates into the children and even the adults that there are three oceans. कुंभ मेला त्रिवेणी संगम नदी का तो है, पर अब तक हमें नहीं समझा कि 3 ओशंस का है. There is a cosmic ocean of energy waves, there is a saltwater ocean of water waves, and there is an ocean of compassion in my heart. The children are learning this. As teachers, it is our responsibility to dream that every child on my planet will learn this because of the Kumbh Mela in my country. Every child on my planet will learn this. And if we want to go to America, we will find out equally powerful verses from the Bible. And if we go to Islamic countries, we'll find equally powerful verses from the Quran. We have done it. We are not saying as a suggestion. We will have thousands of songs like this from every culture, and it is possible to do it. So this girl with the 3 fingers is saying to the adults, very soon they are going to grow up and say to the adults, आपने हमें एक ही सागर सिखाया, आपने कुंभ में 3 नदियां सिखाए, 3 सागर का क्या होगा? आज से सागर कुंभ कहो इसको. क्योंकि सागर मंथन से क्यों शुरू है? द कहानी सागर मंथन की है. तो सागर मंथन का अर्थ बोलो, नहीं तो हम बताते हैं. We want to empower our children as their gurus. So all the teachers over here, मैं आपको साष्टांग नमस्कार करता हूँ जमीन पर लेट कर. Please trust me when I say this. The teachers of this planet are going to save the planet, because it is in your hands to find out that our children are the angels of God. They have come to us at birth. They are given Ananta Shakti ka Sagar. Every child is given Ananta Shakti Sagar. At birth, they are given Ananta Shanti Sagar inside themselves. At birth, they are given Ananta Sanjivani Sagar. At birth, they are given Ananta Karuna Sagar, Ananta Shuddhi Sagar, Ananta Drushti Sagar, and Ananta Seva Sagar. What is it in our culture and teaching in family and school levels which is changing the Sagar into a pond of water which is stale, you know? इसको क्या कहते हैं? डबका means it is a pond of water which doesn't have any life in it. The infinite energy in the child, we have managed to create systems which choke the energy. The infinite love in the child, we choke it up by saying you can love only one country. You can love only one religion. अरे उसको जन्म से ही अनंत करुणा दी है, क्योंकि कहाँ से बना है बच्चा? तो विश्व के चर्निंग से बना है. विश्व के चर्निंग में क्या चरण हो रहा था? अनंत शक्ति भी थी और अनंत करुणा भी थी ना. तो अनंत शक्ति, अनंत करुणा, ये सब है. अनंत मैत्री. विश्व बना है उससे, तो विश्व ने इन बच्चों को बनाया, तो इनके भीतर अनंत शक्ति है. तो इनको छोटा काम क्यों देते हैं भाई? भारत स्वच्छता अभियान क्यों? भारत स्वच्छता अभियान कहना है, but Bharat Swachhata Abhiyan as an example to be placed before the Prithvi Swachhata Abhiyan. Bharat Swachhata Abhiyan as an example to be placed before the Prithvi Swachhata Abhiyan. Always speak about the widest with the children. That awakens the chakras in them, that awakens the sagar in them. Please trust me when I say this. I'm a Kundalini Yoga teacher, traditional one. The children have 100% energy in all their 7 sagars. We give them limited aims and that energy doesn't get exercised. एखादे एयरप्लेन में स्कूटर का पेट्रोल भरने के जैसा है. वो तो टेक ऑफ तो छोड़ दो, वो उसके पहियों पे, चक्कों पे चल भी नहीं पाता टारमैक पर. तो लेट अस नाउ सी द 7 inner oceans. We have seen 7 outer oceans. Let's come back to earth and see the 7 water oceans. This is the ocean. Very simple चित्र है ये. And there are 7. North Pacific, South Pacific, North Atlantic, South Atlantic, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, or called as the Southern Ocean. 7 सागर भीतर, 7 सागर बाहर. सागर मित्र यानी ये 7 सागर और ये 7 सागर, इनका मिलन है. Many people think it is a plastic collection program. It is about the inner oceans and outer oceans meeting together. The teacher should know this. Students needn't be taken into this detail. Till the special students, 5th में आप सिखाओगे, 6th, 7th, 8th में इसमें से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स आपको पकड़ के कहेंगे हमें डिटेल में बताओ, तो उनके लिए फिर आप फेलोशिप दे सकते हो। हमारे विश्व संस्कृति का जो संस्कृति है इसका फेलोशिप हम देते हैं हमारे आश्रम को। और एक अभी सागर के बारे में थोड़ा सा देखना चाहिए, उगम क्या है। सबसे पहले तो पृथ्वी पर लावा रस था, पानी नहीं था, जल नहीं था। देखो ये ऐसे ठंडा होते रहा, ये ठंडा होने लगा। पत्थर भी नहीं थे, पत्थर आ गए, और ये पत्थर की बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानें आ गई। एक तो बारिश गिरी और वो सारी जो आग थी वहां से धुआं आने लगा और ये सारे चट्टान हो गए। तो ऐसे बड़े बड़े चट्टान हो गए। इससे भी बड़े पहाड़ के पहाड़ एक चट्टान हुआ करता था। फिर बारिश से टूटते हुए हवा बारिश लगते लगते हीट एंड कोल्ड होते होते इसके और थोड़े टुकड़े हो गए। तो हीट एंड कोल्ड इसको वेदरिंग कहते हैं। होते होते इसकी मिट्टी भी हो गई, और जैसे जैसे यहाँ मिट्टी हो रही थी वैसे बारिश गिर रही थी, और विश्व के मंथन से, विश्व के संजीवनी ऊर्जा से मंथन से हमारे सागर में जीवन आ गया।
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे।
देखो इसको हमने जमीन की भी कहानी लाके जोड़ दी। लावा रस से लेकर पहाड़ बने, बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानें बनी, और उसका होते होते मिट्टी बनी, और ये मिट्टी बनते बनते यहाँ क्या हो रहा था सागर में? सागर तो बारिश भेज रहा था बड़े चट्टानों को तोड़ के मिट्टी करने के लिए, और सागर क्या कर रहा था कि उस मिट्टी में जो पेड़ लगाने हैं वो पहले खुद तैयार करता था, नर्सरी करके तैयार कर रहा था। और ये ऊर्जा कौन सी है? तो विश्व की चर्निंग की ऊर्जा है, जो कुंभ मेला में सिखाते हैं। विश्व की ऊर्जा, संजीवनी ऊर्जा, सागर का मंथन था। सागर यानी विश्व सागर का मंथन। तो इसमें से उसकी आदिशक्ति ऊर्जा ने रूप ले लिया हरियाली का, और वहां मिट्टी भी बना के रख दी, और ये हरियाली मिट्टी पर आ गई। पहले जमीन पे आई, फिर मिट्टी पर आ गई। तो इस हरियाली तो, और हरियाली होते होते इसमें से प्राणी बनते बनते फिर मानव आए।
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे।
वृक्ष हमारे मित्र है, ऐसे गाना कहता है। हमारे घर के लोग हैं, पड़ोसी भी है, और हमारे खुद घर के लोग हैं। ये वृक्ष बनने के लिए मिट्टी बननी पड़ी, जल बनना पड़ा, उसके लिए सागर मंथन होना पड़ा। ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए। हरित कुंभ जब कहते हैं तो केवल हरियाली को बचाना ऐसे नहीं। तो ये सारी कहानी शुड बी लिविंग स्टोरी इनसाइड अस। इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस टू द चिल्ड्रन, इट विल मेक अ डिफरेंस टू द एडल्ट्स। नहीं तो ऐसा जब चित्र देखते हैं हम कुंभ मेला में, तो हमें ये नीचे का जो सागर है वो हमें केवल खारे पानी का सागर लगता है। ये खारे पानी का सागर नहीं है, ये विश्व के संजीवनी ऊर्जा का सागर है। और सुर यानी कि वो शक्तियां जो सुर में है, हार्मनी में है, और असुर यानी द एनर्जीज विच आर नॉट इन हार्मनी टेम्परेरी। तो ऐसे कुंभ को हम जाएंगे तो वहां भी हम कुंभ के लिए कुछ गाने बनाए हैं। ये भी सुनना जरूरी है, क्योंकि गानों से हम मुख से जो बात करते हैं वैखरी ना, उसके परे एक वाणी रहती है, परावाणी, वो आप तक पहुंचती है। I want you to imagine how the government with us and these kind of posters on large electronic boards and these kind of songs for children and these kinds of mantras That will be part and parcel of trying to say to everyone that कुंभ मेला में नदी के साथ साथ सागर भी देखो, और सागर में अंतिम अंतर्बाह्य प्रदूषण निर्मूलन का ये शुभारंभ है जो नासिक से हो रहा है, और सागर मंथन का अर्थ समझ लो. So we have to go into the way in which ancient India sings in order to start creating that link continuously with the yatha which comes there. I'm deliberately taking you through some of the cultural music pieces, hardly 30 seconds, 1 minute ke hain, so that you realize we are working with ancient tradition and trying to match the harmony of that tradition. If we were in USA or Europe, we would be doing this about Christmas and Christmas carols. And if we were in Islamic countries, we would be doing this about Hajj. Please remember, this is not about one religion. Because we are in India, we are into these pictures.
अलख निरंजन लखना केवल अलख अलख का
In about 10 minutes, we are going to complete. Just one minute. I'll close this song. Just give me a moment. वो कभी कभी क्लोज नहीं होता तो मुझे सुनाई देते रहते, और मैं फिर से आता हूँ. We are coming towards closure, okay? ये आपने तो देखा कि we are going into the language of the adults who are there in the traditional Kumbh Mela. And we are linking with the language with the children use also. Children are singing some of the songs. We are working for a cultural bridge between what the children are doing and what the adults will have to be given the message of तीन सागर. सागर मंथन कहाँ से होता है? तो ये ऐसे चित्र जो है, इसमें से कुंभ का मतलब है कि वो अमृत एक कंटेनर में आ गया, और उस कंटेनर को हम मानते हैं कि पृथ्वी इज दैट कंटेनर, एंड द अमृत विच केम इज द ग्रीनरी विच केम. Life itself came on the planet. We have to interpret it through science. And the drops of that fell at 4 places we say in India: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain और नासिक. यहाँ हम कुंभ मनाते हैं. तो this message of 3 oceans we are taking for कुंभ. One more song is there, I won't go into that. But please remember now कि कुंभ मेला में 3 सागरों का जो ये मंथन की जो बात है, ये कल्चरल डेप्थ है इसमें. It is essential as you become Sagar Mitra teachers. You start teaching about the plastic. The children will bring the plastic. They will ask you questions about Sagar. A time comes when some of the students start going deep into this and start asking questions. That collecting plastic, will that solve the problem? The ocean is threatened in many ways. So when they ask these questions, we will be there to support you in taking these answers right up to the creation of that kind of character in them, which is given by the National Education Policy of 2020. Their scientific temper we will develop. The spiritual values के बारे में आज की बात. आप spiritual values जब develop करते हो तो ऐसे हमारा homework होना पड़ता है, ये बच्चों का homework नहीं. So we have completed session 2 right now. Maybe just 1 or 2 things. Okay. But today I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what should be our spiritual homework. If we were in another country, we have to learn the religion of that country and do our spiritual homework. Because that spirituality is the language of 1 billion people. We have to learn it for the service to humanity. The spiritual songs of that community are the language of that community. 1 billion people learn that language. We have to find the word ocean inside every religious book and take that as a thread in order to bring people into service to the ocean. So what we will do from now to September 2026 and October 2026 to March 2027, in the next and the next session, we are going to do the actual work in the school that we are going to. Okay. And there are 10 rules that you will learn. These are being made into English now. And this is the last slide. In this slide, we are saying thank you to you. And we are showing you the global award, which is the Earth Day Award, which was received for outreach, Sagar Mitra, Pune, Maharashtra, India. It was 1st of July 2024. It is called as the Earth Day Great Global Cleanup Hero Award 2024. This was won by the children for having the best school program in the world. More than 11,000 entries were there of adults also. That I want to say especially for you. There were so many entries. If you see the map, it is full of the dots of those who sent the entries. Most of the entries came for coastal areas. This was one of the few entries which came from a landlocked area from Pune. So here I say thank you to you. Thank you for your patience in taking a look at a very difficult subject of Kumbh Mela, of Sagar Manthan, and how the children are already singing about the 3 oceans. With the help of 530 schools in Nashik, we will be bringing this subject. We have one more year to train ourselves, to create the songs, to create the lectures, to create the meetings with the akhadas. Till the Indian spiritual people will also talk about don't throw plastic. The Indian spiritual people, the sadhus which come in the akhadas, they have to say to India, stop throwing this thing. Thank you so much. Captain, would you like to take over?
If anybody has any questions, I think we can take up questions or thoughts or
If you
anything
see
to
the
share.
time, the time is 5:34. We are within our time, no?
Yeah, we started a little late, but I think we can take questions if there are any.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये थोड़ा heavy subject. It's to understand the spiritual angle of Sagar Mitra initiative and to actually understand the true meaning of Sagar. तीन सागर जो है, we know only about one Sagar, so I think it's a great revelation. तो इसके बारे में अगर अनामिका जी, you want to say something?
Sir, it was really very deep. And I was also thinking ki which 3 sagas, sir is talking about. But later I realized he has connected it with, chakras, opening of 7 chakras also. That's great. Means I couldn't think about that. It was so good. And now I think we can, as sir told that NEP says that spiritual development is also important. And that Sagar, after becoming Sagar Mitra, the student can do. It was eye-opening for me today, today's session, and churning of our inner ocean. Vinod sir has done the churning of our inner ocean today. Sagar Manthan, as its name was. So अपने अंदर का सागर का तो मंथन आज सर आपने करवा दिया. And जो अमृत निकल कर आया है, I think that is full of compassion, and after that we will try our best to do, or I am just waiting to the school to open, and as my school opens I'll start in my school, sir. Thank you very much.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
सर मैं अयोध्या से हूँ.
Okay, अरे राम जन्मभूमि से.
बिल्कुल. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
और 2 अभी सेशन बाकी है. We have the next
Really,
Sunday and the
eye-opening
next Sunday.
sessions.
By the time उसके बाद आपकी स्कूल वैसे भी खुल जाएंगे.
Captain, I cannot resist saying one thing. National Education Policy also says community engagement. Our children of 530 schools of Nashik are doing community engagement with Kumbh Mela. How big a community engagement can be there from children? Okay. Okay, go on.
Yeah. So Neeraj ji,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, sir. I had a question actually.
Right.
The thing is, like here, I'm living in Kathmandu, right? And as I start talking about this Sagar Mitra program, so the question they say, and last time also it was raised, that हमारे यहाँ तो सागर है नहीं, right?
मैं उत्तर
But
दूं?
I understand. I have the answer for that. I really, I understand, and we discussed also this last time.
Right.
So can't we do this thing like from my school, if I bring some of the students on online platform, right? And if we are like a special presentation on this topic only, if it is,
Yes.
so it will be little better because those students of mine, they are going to talk about this program to other students. So
we will do it.
yeah,
Yes.
so if it can be done so that for the children only, teachers, if they want to join, they can also join. But the thing is, if the students are well, they are well, what to say, informed about this topic, especially this, we are to not having any oceans. So if it will be there, so I think it will be like very helpful. And other thing is that, let's say like we have started this program, right? After a month, I have got a plastic bags. So where I'm going to recycle them? Where
This
children are going to?
this is in the next two sessions.
Okay,
The
this is
answers
in
are
the
yes,
next
yes.
session. Yeah. Okay.
सागर
That
सागर
was
सागर प्रदूषण नेक्स्ट सेशन
okay.
और
Yeah.
सागर शुद्धि
Okay.
उसमें है ये
O-
सब.
Okay. So in before another session we are going to have on 21st of June, right? So before that, I want at least 4 or 5 students from my school, if they can be, if they will come to know, okay, why we are having this program for them.
We will do it. I think Captain will work with you to find out the venue, and we'll do on Zoom even for 4 students. Don't worry.
Yeah, because
Even one student is precious for us because they have
yeah,
seven
yeah,
oceans inside. They have 7
yeah.
oceans inside. That
Yeah,
one student.
that's what I it was a really nice session, and so many things we already knew, but the thing is how you clubbed all those things all together and brought into that theme. That was very good. I really liked it, and I was there throughout whole session, and I was listening keenly. It was good. So that is only my request. So one session, if we can arrange 4 or 5 students, whatever
Done.
I'm getting,
Done.
so if it can be.
So,
Okay.
Neeraj ma'am, the
Yes.
current model that we are following is that
Yes.
2 teachers are trained per school so that these 2 teachers can conduct the same training for their
Uh-huh.
own classes. Different classes you can train. What you
Yeah.
suggested last time is that you have some senior students
Yeah.
who are in the 11th and 12th who are very
Yes,
smart,
sir.
who are capable of running this program.
Mm-hmm.
And can you include them in this training program? And I had told you not a problem, but
Yeah.
they have not attended the first 2. So one option is that they go through the recording. Other option is we can have a single call with them to give them an orientation, and then they can go
Yeah.
through
Yeah. We can have an
the
orientation.
recordings. So before
Yeah.
the third session, we can do an orientation, and then they can
Mhm.
attend the third and the fourth so that they have a
Yeah.
better
Yeah.
idea.
That will be
Meera,
better.
is that
Because
okay if we are
Captain Tuesday को ला
yeah,
सकते
because
हैं.
their exams were going on,
Tuesday?
and they were having exams, so that's why they were not able to. I shared link with 2 of the students. One was
Okay.
there,
We have the
but
date. We have the date and the time also for you immediately
16th. Can they come on the 16th at 8:30?
in the evening. 8:30 to
okay.
10 is our fellowship where
Oh,
whoever comes, they decide the agenda. We don't.
okay.
So every
Okay.
Tuesday actually at 8:30 in the 8:30 p.m. So they can have their dinner or whatever, and then they can come at 8:30 early dinner करके.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what
Okay.
Neeraj ma'am wants is an orientation for the children.
Yeah,
So
we will do it at their
both
level.
of them can come and we can.
Absolutely, we will.
Hmm.
We will not fall short
Okay.
of our seva.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
will.
That will be great.
आप आज्ञा कीजिए, हम करेंगे.
अरे नहीं
तो
सर.
नहीं ये
It is not
आप टीचर्स इतना करते हो
नहीं,
students
just
के लिए.
little I want, because sometimes children are what I feel like when they will be going out, and when the children they talk to their peers or their juniors, okay, that makes more impact.
We understand.
That
We
is the
will do
thing.
that. But
Yeah.
your school has to give us 2 teachers to learn, because the continuity can be handled by the authority figure.
Yeah, already
Yeah,
one
yeah.
teacher, Rakhi Malik, is
Oh, great,
she
great,
was
great.
yeah, she was there, and
She's
Shweta,
here.
I don't know.
She's there
Yeah,
now
she
also.
was, and Madan Gautam sir was also there. I guess he joined
One
later.
other
What happened, I don't know. I will ask him.
one other subject in a couple of lines, Captain, permit me now. Nepal is the birthplace of the ocean. Because when anyone comes to Nepal and points at the Himalayas or at Mount Everest, they say that is Sagarmatha.
Yeah, Sagarmatha.
So,
Name is Sagarmatha.
Sagarmatha exists in Nepal. So that is the topmost drop of water starts coming to the ocean from Sagarmatha.
Sagarmatha only.
So the
Yeah.
first drop of water which comes towards the ocean comes from Nepal, ma'am. So
Nepal only. Yeah, that is
it's a
what
sacred. That is a
so
connection
many
with the
people,
ocean.
they don't understand this. Okay, Sagarmatha is there, Sagarmatha name is there. They know, but actually, how it is there, why that name is there.
We will take care
Yeah.
of that.
Yeah.
let us go on to But
Yeah.
we are thrilled to be with our friends from Nepal. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Dheeraj. Thank you so much. So anybody else has any
Vinod
question?
sir or Last sir?
Yes, Amit.
Yeah, so what I want to say is that it was really a profound session, and there was one observation that I want to share, that if we want to make some big change, if you want to solve some big problem, the solution should be very simple, and your solution is very simple, right? The
Yes.
second thing is that after solution, the next thing that comes is that how to make it a movement.
Yes.
And I think what could be anything else than making behavioral changes in the students and future pillars of the country, and involving the teachers. But this is not enough, because we need to bind everything, and for that Kumbh culture and songs, and definitely the passion. So what I observed throughout the session is the mix of all three, a perfect recipe to bring a lasting change and do something profound that future generation will definitely, look forward and proud. So thanks a lot for keep bringing all three together and making it happen. It was really a learning process to be here with all of you. Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और कोई बात करेंगे तो हम सुनना
Thank you.
चाहेंगे. Thank you, Samitra Dubey ji. We are honored to have you here. और कोई बात करेंगे? पुनीत जी, रविंद्र कौर जी, अश्मिता जी, अनामिका जी. तो रजनी श्रेष्ठ ने लिखा है, थैंक यू सर फॉर सच एन इंसाइटफुल सेशन. So, Captain, what do? We can complete with one song which was there.
Song or prayer or whatever, but let's conclude it.
One song we will do. So I will bring back that song which I skipped because there were too many songs after a while. So there is a song which is this is there on YouTube also. We will send the URL. एक सागर बाहर एक सागर भीतर का जो बच्चों का देखा हमने, ये बड़ों का सॉन्ग है, सेम सॉन्ग. First, I'll just check if the sound is on, so that we don't have to come back again. Yeah, share sound is on. So we will end with this as a song for the ocean.
एक सागर बाहर एक सागर भीतर, सागर एक नहीं दो नहीं एक दो तीन.
जो सागर बाहर जल का है आगर, देता है मीठे जल की बरसात.
जो सागर भीतर रक्षा का जागर, कहता है सागर मित्र के चलो साथ.
एक सागर बाहर एक सागर भीतर, सागर एक नहीं दो नहीं एक दो तीन.
जो सागर बाहर भरता है घाघर, मरता है प्रदूषण के मैले हाथ.
जो सागर भी
सागर बाहर, एक सागर भीतर,
सागर एक नहीं दो नहीं, एक दो तीन।
So I stop sharing this. Pranam sabko, and Soumitra Dubey ji, a special thanks to you. You could see into the simplicity and the 3 things we have to do, including songs which are important. Thank you so much for supporting that. Songs are important, yes. Thanks so much. We will have this recording ready.
Yeah,
in couple
everybody,
of
we'll share the
hours.
recording. Yeah.
Share the recording. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Namaskar sabko. Namaskar.